In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can solve a quadratic by factorising. In another video that I'll link here, we learned about how we can factorise a quadratic using the AC technique. The value of AC in this question is 1 times 25. The value of B is negative 10. So I'm after two numbers that multiply together to give me 25, that add together to give me negative 10. The two numbers are negative 5 and negative 5. Rewriting my original quadratic as x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 25 will still equal 0. Splitting into 2 and factorising each half will give me x and x minus 5 and negative 5 and x minus 5. Fully factorising the problem will give x minus 5 and x minus 5. The fact I've got two numbers being multiplied together and their product is equal to 0 should lead to that x minus 5 will equal 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0 is a repeated answer. Adding 5 to both sides will give x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5. Here we have a repeated solution to this problem, but I have now found the value of x by factorising. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. The value of AC is 1 times 14 and B is negative 9. The two numbers I'm after this time are negative 7 and negative 2. So rewriting my original quadratic as x squared minus 2x minus 7x plus 14 will equal 0. Splitting into 2 and factorising each half will give x and x minus 2, negative 7 and x minus 2. Fully factorising leads to x minus 7 and x minus 2. Each of these two brackets could equal 0. So this means that x minus 7 could equal 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0 if their product is to equal 0. With x minus 7 is equal to 0, adding 7 to both sides leads to x is equal to 7, and on the right hand side, adding 2 to both sides gives x is equal to 2. So for the original quadratic x squared minus 9x plus 14 to equal 0, either x will equal 2 or x will equal 7.